సమగ్ర శిక్ష రాష్ట్ర మరియు జిల్లా అధికారులకు నమస్తే. గుడ్ మార్నింగ్ పిల్లలు, హౌ ఆర్ యూ? I hope all are you fine. In previous session we discussed mean of different group data in different methods. Today we discuss mode. Mode is one of the three measures of central tendency apart from mean and median. Find the mode of two types of data. There are ungrouped and grouped data. First one, we discuss mode of ungrouped data. In statistics, the mode is the most commonly or occurs observed value in the data. We can also say that the value or number in a data which has a high frequency or appears more frequently is called mode or modal value. Most occur value is called mode. Okay. Example, the given set of data 2, 4, 5, 5, 6, 7. The mode of the given data is 5. It has appeared in the set twice. A set of values may have one mode or more than one modes or no modes at all. The mode of observations 2, 2, 2, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5, 5 is 2, 5 because both 2 and 5 is repeated 3 times in the given data. This data is called bimodal as it contains 2 models. Similarly, the data contains 3 modes is called trimode. When there are 4 or more modes, then the data is called multimodal. For example, the mode of observations 4, 4, 6, 7, 8, 8, 9, 10, 12, 12 is 4, 8, 12. There are trimode. The mode of natural numbers is no mode. For any number system, mode is no mode. The mode of observations 1, 1, 1, 2, 2, 2, 3, 3, 3, 4, 4, 4 is no mode because same number same times repeated. Next, find the mode of grouped data. In a grouped frequency distribution, if is not possible to determine the mode by looking the frequency, there we can only locate a class with the maximum frequency called the model class. అంటే మనం ఫ్రీక్వెన్సీ గ్రూప్డ్ ఫ్రీక్వెన్సీ డిస్ట్రిబ్యూషన్ చూస్తానే ఆ ఫ్రీక్వెన్సీకి మోడ్ని ఐడెంటిఫై చేయలేము, మోడల్ క్లాస్ని మాత్రమే ఐడెంటిఫై చేయగలము. The mode is a value inside the model class and is given by the formula. Mode MO is equal to L plus F1 minus F0 by 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. Here MO is mode, L is equal to lower boundary of the model class, F1 is equal to frequency of the model class, F0 is equal to frequency of the class preceding the model class or frequency of the pre-model class. F2 is frequency of the class associating the model class or frequency of the past model class. H is equal to size of the model class interval. We discussed some more examples to find the mode of grouped data. Okay. First example, a survey conducted 20 households located by a group of students result in the following frequency table for the number of family members in a household. Okay, family size, number of families. Family size 1, 3, 7 members. 3, 5, 8 members. Class 5 7 2 members. 7 9 2 members. 9 11 1 member. In this given data, here the maximum class frequency is 8 and the class corresponding to this frequency is 3, 5. The class corresponding to this frequency is 3 to 5. So the model class is 3 to 5. Lower boundary of the model class is L is equal to 3. 3 5 class is a model class. Lower boundary of model class 3. Frequency of the model class is highest frequency, most acute frequency 8. Frequency of the class preceding the model class F0 is equal to 7. Frequency of the class succeeding the model class is F2 is equal to 2. Size of the model class interval H is equal to 3 minus 1 or 5 minus 3, that is equal to 2. Find MO is equal to how much? Mode is equal to L plus F1 minus F0 by 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. MO is equal to, the value of L is equal to 3 plus F1 8 minus F0 7 by 2F1 2 into 8 minus F0 7 minus F2 minus 2 into H2. 3 plus 8 minus 7 1, 2 into 8 16 minus 7 minus 2 minus 9 into 2. 3 plus 1 by 16 minus 9 7. 1 into 2 2 by 7. The value of 2 by 7 is 0.2857. So 3 plus 0.2857 is equal to 3.2857. This is the mode of the given data. Next problem. In 14.2, first problem. The following table shows the ages of the patients admitted in the hospital on a particular day. Age, number of patients. In age 15 16 6 members, 15 25 11 members, 25 35 21 members, 35 45 23 members, 45 55 14 members, 55 65 5 members. Here the maximum class frequency is 23 and the class corresponding to this frequency is 35 45. Here frequency, the model class is 35 45. So F1 is 23, F0 is 21, F2 is equal to 14. The model class 35 45. So lower boundary of the model class 35. Mode is how much? Mode MO is equal to L plus F1 minus F0 by 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. Here the value of L is equal to 35 plus F1 23 minus F0 21 by 2 into F1 2 into 23 minus F0 21 minus F2 14 into H. The given classes are inclusive or exclusive? Exclusive classes. In exclusive classes, limits and boundaries are same. So the size of class is the difference between any two lower limits or any two upper limits or the difference between any two boundaries of exclusive classes. So H is equal to 35 minus 25, that is equal to 10. Okay, the value of H is equal to 10. Next, 35 plus 23 minus 21 2. 2 into 23 46 minus 21 minus 14 35. So 35 plus 2 by 46 minus 35 11 into 10. 35 plus 2 into 10 20 plus 20 by 11. The value of 20 by 11, that is equal to 1.82. So 35 plus 1.82, that is equal to 36.82. So mode of given data is 36.82 years. Okay, next problem. In 14.2, second problem, the following table show the ages of in first problem, find the mean and mode of given data and interpretation. Already we find mode. Next, mean. Find the mean in direct method. Okay, ages are called class intervals. Number of frequency is called frequency. 5 15, 15 25, 25 35, 35 45, 45 55, 55 65. Frequencies 5, 6, 11, 21, 23, 14, 5. This is Fi. Xi. What is the Xi? The average of lower limit and upper limit. Already we discussed and find in previous session. Okay, Xi 5 plus 15, 20 by 2, that is equal 10. 15 plus 25, 40, 45 2, 20. 25 plus 35, 60, 60 by 2, that is equal 30. 35 plus 45, 80, 80 by 2, that is equal 40. 45 plus 55, 100, 100 by 2, 50. 55 plus 65 by 2, 120, 120 by 2, 60. Okay, this is Xi, this is Fi. In direct method, Fi Xi. This is Fi value, this is Xi value. Fi Xi. 6 into 10, 60. 11 into 20, 220. 21 into 30, 630. 23 into 40, 920. 14 into 50, 700. 5 into 60, 300. Okay. The sum of frequencies, summation Fi, 80. The sum of Fi Xi, 28, 30. Find the mean. Mean is equal to how much? Here, summation Fi 80. Summation Fi Xi 2830. Mean of given data, summation Fi Xi by summation Fi. This is a direct method. Here, Fi Xi, summation Fi Xi 2830. Summation Fi 80. 0 0 cancel. 283 by 80. This value is 35.375. Mean of patients is 35.37 years. Mode of the given data 36.82 years. Interpretation. Mode age is 36.8 years and mean age is 35.37 years. Maximum number of patients admitted in the hospital at the age is 36.8 years, while on average age of patients is 35.37 years. This is first problem. Okay, next second problem. The following data gives the information on the observed lifetimes in hours of 225 electrical competitions. Okay, lifetimes frequency. Lifetimes 0 20 10, 20 40 35, 40 60 52, 60 80 61, 80 100 38, 100 120 29. Determine the model lifetimes of the competitions. Determine the model lifetimes of the competitions. To find the mode. Okay. Highest frequency class 6080. So this is a model class. Highest frequency F1 is equal to 61. F0 preceding of the model class F0 is equal to 52. F2 is equal to 38. Lower boundary of model class L is equal to 60. H is equal to 60 minus 40, 20. Okay. Mode is equal to how much? Mode is equal to formula L plus F1 minus F0 by 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. Here the value of L 60 plus F1 61 minus the value of F0 52 by 2 into F1. The value of F1 61 minus F0 52 minus F2 38 into the value of H is equal to 20. Okay. 60 plus 61 minus 52 9 divided by 2 into 61 122 minus 52 minus 38 90. 60 plus 9 by 122 minus 90 32. 60 plus 9 into 20 180. 180 by 32. The value of 180 by 32 is 5.625. 60 plus 5.625. So this is 65.625. Model lifetime of components is 65.625 hours. This is mode of the given data. Next problem. Third problem. The following data gives the distribution of total monthly household expenditure of 200 families of Gummadi Dala village. Find the model monthly expenditure of the families. Also find the mean of monthly expenditure. Expenditure number of families. Expenditure 1000, 1500, 1500, 2000, 2000, 2500, 2500, 3000, 3000, 3500, 3500, 4000, 4000, 4500, 4500, 5000. Frequencies number of families 24, 40, 33, 28, 30, 22, 16, 17. Highest frequency 40. So this is 1500, 2000 is a model class. This is model class. So F1 is 40. F0 is equal to 24. F2 is equal to 32. L is equal to 1500. H is equal to 2000 minus 1500 500. So mode is equal to how much? Mode is equal to L plus F1 minus F0 by 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. So the value of L 1500 plus F1 40, F2 24, 40 minus 24 by 2 into F1 40 minus F0 24, F2 is equal to 33 into 500. 1500, 40 minus 24 16, 2 into 40 80 minus 24 minus 33 57 into 500. 1500 plus 16 by 23 into 500. 16 500 8000. 1500 plus 8000 by 23. 8000 by 23 value 347.83. So 1500 plus 347.83 is 1847.83. So model monthly expenditure is 1847.83. And also find the mean. Already find the mean in previous session and present session. Okay, to find the mean of given data, do this homework. Okay. Next, fourth problem. The following distribution gives the state-wise teacher-student ratio in higher secondary schools in India. Find the mode of mean of this data. Find the mode and mean of this data. Interpretation, the two methods. Okay. In this present session, to find mode, mean and interpretation, do this homework. Okay. Number of students 15 20 20 25 25 30 30 35 35 40 40 45 45 50 50 55 3 8 9 10. Frequencies 3 8 9 10 3 0 0 2. Okay. Highest frequency class 35 35. So this is a model class. So frequency of the model class F1 is equal to 10, F0 is equal to 9, F2 is equal to 3. Lower boundary of model class 30. H is equal to 35 minus 35. Mode is equal to how much? Mode is equal to L plus F1 minus F0 by 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. The value of L is equal to 30 plus F1 10, F0 9, 10 minus 9 by 2 into 10, F1 10 minus F0 9 minus F2 3 into 5. 30 plus 10 minus 9 1 by 2 into 10 20. 20 minus 9 minus 3 12 into 5. 30 plus 1 by 20 minus 12 8 into 5. 30 plus 1 into 5 5 by 8. The value of 5 by 8 0.625. 30 plus 0.625 is equal to 30.625. So this is mode of the given data. Mode of given data is 30.625. Mean మీరు చేయండి. Okay. Next problem, fifth problem. The given distribution shows the number of runs scored by some top batsmen of the world in one-day international cricket matches. Find the mode of the data. Okay. Runs, number of batsmen. Runs 3000, 4000, 4000, 5000, 5000, 6000, 6000, 7000, 7000, 8000, 8000, 9000, 9000, 10,000, 10,000, 11,000. Number of batsmen 4, 18, 9, 7, 6, 3, 1, 1. So highest frequency class is 4000, 5000. So this is a model class. 18 is a frequency of model class. 4 is preceding of the frequency preceding of the model class. 9 is frequency of succeeding the model class. Okay. 4000 is the lower boundary of model class. H is equal to 5000 minus 4000, 1000. Okay. Mode MO is equal to how much? Mode MO is equal to L plus F1 minus F0 by 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. Here L is equal to 4000, F1 is equal to 18, F0 is equal to 4, 18 minus 4 by 2 into F1 18 minus F0 4 minus F2 9 into H is equal to 1000. Okay. 4000 plus 14 minus 4 14, 2 into 18 36 minus 9 minus 4 minus 9 minus 13 into 1000. 4000 plus 14 by 36 minus 13 23 into 1000. 4000 plus 14 into 1000 14,000 by 23. The value of 14,000 by 23 is 608.7. So 4000 plus 608.7 is 4608.7. Mode of the given data is 4608.7 runs. This is mode of the given data. Next, last problem. A student noted the number of cars passing through a spot on a road for 100 periods, each of 3 minutes, and summarized. This is the table given below. Find the mode of the data. Okay, number of cars, frequency. Number of cars 0, 10, 7, 10, 20, 14, 20, 30, 13, 30, 40, 12, 40, 50, 20, 50, 60, 11, 60, 70, 15, 70, 80, 8. Okay, highest frequency class 40, 50. So this is model class. So the frequency of the model class F1 is equal to 20. Frequency of class preceding of the model class F0 is equal to 12. Frequency of class succeeding the model class F2 is equal to 11. Next, lower boundary of model class L is equal to 40. Model class 40, 50. So lower boundary 40. Size of the model class interval H is equal to the difference between any two boundaries. So 50 minus 40, that is equal to 10. Okay, mode My is equal to how much? Mode is equal to L plus F1 minus F0 by 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. Here the value of L 40 plus F1, the value of F1 20 minus the value of F0 12, 2F1, 2 into F1, 2 into 20 minus F0 12 minus F2 11 into H is equal to 10. So 40 plus 20 minus 12 8, 2 into 20 40 minus 12 minus 11 minus 23 into 10. 40 plus 8, 40 minus 23 17 into 10. 40 plus 8 into 10 80 by 17. So that is equal to 40 plus 4.7, that is equal to 44.7. This is the mode of the given data. So mode of the given data is 44.7 cars. Okay pillalu, this is some more examples of to find the mode of group data. Okay, next, to measure of central tendency is median. What is the median? Already we discussed in 9th class. Okay, the median is a measure of central tendency which denotes the value of the most middle observation in the data. Most middle observation in the data is called median. Okay, find the median of two types of data. There are ungrouped and grouped data. First we discuss median of ungrouped data. So, steps of to find the median of ungrouped data. First, we can use following steps to calculate the median. First, arrange the given values in ascending order. ఇచ్చినటువంటి అబ్జర్వేషన్స్ని అసెండింగ్ ఆర్డర్లో రాసుకోవాలి. నెక్స్ట్, ఫైండ్ ద నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ అబ్జర్వేషన్స్ ఇన్ ద గివెన్ సెట్ ఆఫ్ డేటా. ఇట్ ఈస్ డినోటెడ్ బై ఎన్. ఇచ్చినటువంటి అబ్జర్వేషన్స్ని ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయాలి, వాటిని ఎంతో డినోట్ చేయాలి. ఇఫ్ ఎన్ ఈజ్ ఆడ్, ద మీడియన్ ఈక్వల్స్ టు ఎన్ ప్లస్ 1th బై టర్మ్. ఎన్ అనేది ఆడ్ అయినప్పుడు n ప్లస్ 1/2 అబ్జర్వేషన్ ఈజ్ మీడియన్. ఇఫ్ n ఈజ్ ఈవెన్, దెన్ ద మీడియన్ ఈజ్ given by the mean or average of n/2th and n/2th plus 1th observation. Next, to discuss one more example, to find the median of observations 3, 7, 5, 11, 6, 18, 9. First we write observation in ascending order. 3, 5, 6, 7, 9, 11, 8, 18. How many observations in the given data? 7 observations. So middle term is the median. Middle term 7. Okay. Here n is equal to 7. So that median is equal to n plus 1 by 2th observation. Here n is equal to 7. 7 plus 1 by 2th observation is median. 7 plus 1, 8. 8 by 2, 8 by 2. That is equal to 4th observation is median. 4th observation in the given data 7. So 7 is the median of the given data. Simply middle term n is odd, middle term is the median. Middle term 7. 7 is median. Next one more example. To find the median of observations 3, 7, 5, 11, 6, 18, 9, 16. First we write the observations in ascending order or 3, 5, 6, 7, 9, 11, 16, 18. How many observations in the given data? 8 observations. Here n is equal to 8. So that the median is mean of n by 2th and n by 2 plus 1th observations. Mean or average. Mean of 8 n is equal to 8. 8 by 2th and 8 by 2 plus 1th observation. 8 by 2th observation 4th observation. 8 by 2th plus 1 observation 5th observation. So mean of 4th and 5th observation. Mean of 4th observation 7. 5th observation 9. So mean of or average of 7th and 9th observation. So 7 plus 9 by 2. 7 and 9. 7 plus 9 by 2, that is equal to 16 by 2. 16 by 2 ones 2 8s, that is equal to 8. So median is 8. Simply if n is even, the average of middle two terms is median. So in the given data, middle two terms 7 and 8. So 7 plus 8, 7 plus 9 by 2. 7 plus 9, 16 by 2. That is equal to 8 is the median. Okay. Next, we find the median of group data. Median of group data. We can use the following steps to calculate the median. Make a table with 3 columns. Group data ki median kanukovalante 3 columns తో ఒక టేబుల్ ని తీసుకోవాలి. First column for the class interval, second column for frequency and third column for cumulative frequency. First column లో class intervals ని, second column లో frequencies ని, third column లో cumulative frequencies ని తీసుకోవాలి. Okay. Write the class intervals and the corresponding frequency in the respective columns. Class intervals కి సంబంధించినటువంటి frequencies ని రాసుకోవాలి. Next, write the cumulative frequency in the column CF. Cumulative frequency CF లో వాటికి సంబంధించినటువంటి cumulative frequencies ని రాయాలి. ఎలా రాయాలి అంటే it is cumulative frequency is denoted by CF. It is done by adding the frequency in each step. ప్రతి స్టెప్ లో ఫస్ట్ ఫ్రీక్వెన్సీకి నెక్స్ట్ స్టెప్ లో ఫ్రీక్వెన్సీస్ ని యాడ్ చేయాలి. ఓకే. ఫైండ్ ద సమ్ ఆఫ్ ఫ్రీక్వెన్సీస్ ఈజ్ సమ్మేషన్ ఎఫ్. ఫ్రీక్వెన్సీస్ అన్నిటిని యాడ్ చేస్తే అది సమ్మేషన్ ఎఫ్. ఇట్ విల్ బి ద సేమ్ యాజ్ ద లాస్ట్ నెంబర్ ఇన్ ద క్యుములేటివ్ ఫ్రీక్వెన్సీ కాలమ్. ఫ్రీక్వెన్సీ సమ్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్ ఫ్రీక్వెన్సీస్ ఈజ్ సమ్మేషన్ ఎఫ్. అంటే ఫ్రీక్వెన్సీస్ని అన్నిటినీ యాడ్ చేసినప్పుడు వచ్చే వాల్యూ క్యుములేటివ్ ఫ్రీక్వెన్సీస్ని అన్నిటినీ యాడ్ చేస్తే లాస్ట్ వాల్యూకి ఈక్వల్ కావాలి. ఫైండ్ n by 2, then find the class whose cumulative frequency is greater than or nearest to n by 2. This the median class. మీడియన్ క్లాస్ని ఎలా ఐడెంటిఫై చేస్తామంటే ఫస్ట్ n by 2ని ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయాలి. ఆ n by 2 కంటే ఎక్కువ లేదా దగ్గరగా ఉన్నటువంటి క్లాస్ని మీడియన్ క్లాస్గా తీసుకోవాలి. Okay, now we use the formula median of group data. Median ME is equal to L plus N by 2 minus CF by F into H. Here L is equal to lower boundary of median class, N is equal to number of observations, CF is equal to cumulative frequency of class preceding the median class. F is equal to frequency of median class. H is equal to class size or length of the class. Cumulative frequency CF is equal to cumulative frequencies అన్నిటినీ లెక్కించి ఆ cumulative frequencies లో ప్రిసీడింగ్ ఆఫ్ ద మీడియన్ క్లాస్ కి ముందున్నటువంటి cumulative ఫ్రీక్వెన్సీని CF గా తీసుకోవాలి. మీడియన్ క్లాస్లో లోయర్ బౌండరీని ఎల్గా తీసుకోవాలి. మీడియన్ క్లాస్లో ఉన్నటువంటి ఫ్రీక్వెన్సీని ఎఫ్గా తీసుకోవాలి. డిఫరెన్స్ క్లాస్ సైజ్ని హెచ్గా తీసుకోవాలి. ద డిఫరెన్స్ బిట్వీన్ ఎనీ టూ బౌండరీస్. ఓకే, హియర్ ఎన్ ఈస్ నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ అబ్జర్వేషన్స్. ఓకే, నెక్స్ట్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్, నెక్స్ట్ 14.3 ఫస్ట్ ప్రాబ్లం చూద్దాం. Okay, first problem, the following frequency distribution gives the monthly consumption of electricity of 68 consumers of a locality. Find the median, mean and mode of the data and compare them. Okay, already we discussed mean and mode in present session. We discuss median. Other two, find the other two measures, mode and mean. Do the homework. Okay, first to find the median. Okay, monthly consumers 65, 85, 4, 85, 105, 5, 105, 125, 13, 125, 145, 20, 145, 165, 14, 165, 185, 8, 185, 205, 4. Okay, to find median. Monthly consumption, here sum of observations, sum of frequencies 4, 5, 13, 20, 14, 8, 4 is sum is 68. Here n is equal to sum of frequencies is 68. So that n by 2 is equal to 68 by 2. 2 ones 2 34s. N by 2 is equal to 34. Okay. Cumulative frequencies. Adding the frequencies of every step. First 4. Next cumulative frequency of 8500, 4 plus 5, that is equal to 9. Next 105, 125, 4 plus 5 plus 13, 22, 125, 145, 4 plus 5 plus 13 plus 20, that is equal to 42. Next 125, 165, 4 plus 5 plus 13 plus 20 plus 14, 56, 165, 185, 4 plus 5 plus 13 plus 20 plus 14 plus 8, 64. Next 185, 205, 4 plus 4 plus 13 plus 20 plus 14 plus 8 plus 4, that is equal to 68. Here the sum of all frequencies is equal to the last cumulative frequency. Are equal or not? Equal. Okay. n by 2 is equal to 34. 34 lies which cumulative frequency? 42. 22 is not given. 34 is given 42. So 42, the cumulative frequency 42 lies which class? 125, 145. This is median class. Here 125 is lower boundary of median class. 20 is frequency of the median class. Next, CF is the frequency of preceding cumulative frequency preceding of the median class. So preceding of the cumulative frequency of median class 22. Here CF is equal to 22. Class size 145 minus 125. The difference between any two boundaries 145 minus 125 20. H is equal 20. Median ME is equal to how much? Okay, median is equal to L plus N by 2 minus CF by F into H. Here the value of L 125 plus N by 2 34 minus CF 22, F 20, H 20. 125 plus 34 minus 22, 12. 12 by 20 into 20, 20, 20 cancel. 125 plus 12, that is equal to 137. The median of the given data is 127. Find the other two measures, mean and mode, and compare. Do the homework. Mean of the given data 137. Median of the given data 135.7. Almost all three measures are approximate shape. Okay, next problem, second problem. If the median of 60 observations given below is 28.5, median of the given observations is 28.5. Find the values of x and y. Okay, class intervals, frequency 10, 0, 10, 5, 10, 20, x 20, 30, 20, 30, 40, 15, 40, 50, y 50, 60, 5. Okay, first we take 3 columns. Class intervals 0, 10, 10, 20, 20, 30, 30, 40, 40, 50, 50, 60. Frequencies 5, x 20, 15, y 5. Cumulative frequencies. Adding the frequencies of every step. First we write 5. 5 plus x. 5 plus x. Next 5 plus x plus 20. 25 plus x. Next 5 plus x plus 20 plus 15. 40 plus x. Next 5 plus x plus 20 plus 15 plus y. 40 plus x plus y. Next 5 plus x plus 20 plus 15 plus y plus 5. 45 plus x plus y. These are cumulative frequencies of the given data. Okay, sum of all frequencies 5 plus x plus 20 plus 15 plus y plus 5. 40 plus x plus y. This is equal to last cumulative frequency. Okay, but sum of all frequencies in the given data 60. So n is equal to 60, that is equal to 45 plus x plus y is equal to 60. 45 is transposing to RHS minus 45. X plus y is equal to 60 minus 45. 60 minus 45, 15. X plus y is equal to 15. This is equation 1. N is equal to 60. N by 2 is equal to 30. Okay, 30 is lies on the which cumulative frequency? 25 plus x. 25 plus x. So 25 plus x class 20, 30. This is median class. Okay, 20 is lower boundary. 20 is frequency. Cumulative frequency preceding of the median class 5 plus x. The median of the given data is 28.5. Okay, h is equal to 30 minus 20, 10. How much median? Median is equal to L plus N by 2 minus CF by F into H. Okay, median 28.5. The value of lower boundary 20 plus N by 2 30 minus CF 5 plus x. Minus of 5 plus x minus 5 minus x. F 20 into H 10. 20 is transposing LHS minus 20. 28.5 minus 20 is equal to 30 minus 5, 25 minus x by 10 ones, 10 twos, by 2. Next 28.5 minus 20, 8.5. 8.5 is equal to 25 minus x by 2, that is equal to 2 is divided by 2 is transposing to LHS into 8.5 into 2, 17. 17 is equal to 25 minus x. Here minus x is transposing to LHS plus x, plus 17 is transposing to RHS minus 17. X is equal to 25 minus 17, that is equal to 8. The value of x is equal to 8. By substituting x is equal to 8 in equation 1, x plus y is equal to 15, x is equal to 8. 8 plus y is equal to 15. Y is equal to plus 8 is transposing to RHS minus. Y is equal to 15 minus 8, that is equal to 7. Y is equal to 7. Therefore, x is equal to 8 and y is equal to 7. The values of x and y is 8 and 7. Okay. Next, third problem. A life insurance agent found the following data about distribution of ages of 100 policy holders. Calculate the median age. Policies are given only the persons having or age 18 years onwards but less than 60 years. Okay, ages, number of policy holders. Below 20, 2 members. Below 25, 6 members. Below 30, 24. Below 35, 45. Below 40, 78. Below 45, 89. Below 50, 90. Below 55, 98. Below 60, 100. Ages in years. Below 20, below 30, below 30, below 35, below 40, below 45, below 50, below 55, below 60. Number of policy holders 2, 6, 24, 45, 78, 89, 92, 98, 100. These frequencies are below boundaries. That means upper boundary వరకు ఉన్నటువంటి ఫ్రీక్వెన్సీస్. కాబట్టి ఫస్ట్ ఫ్రీక్వెన్సీస్ని ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయాలి. ఫస్ట్ we find frequencies. Okay, classes below 20. 20 is upper boundary, lower boundary below 20. Next, below 25, this is upper boundary, lower boundary 20, 25. Below 30, 30 upper boundary, lower boundary 25. Below 35, 35 upper boundary, lower boundary 30. Below 40, 40, 35. Below 45, 40, 45. Below 50, 45, 50. Below 55, 50, 55. Below 60, 55, 60. These are class intervals. These are cumulative frequencies. Next, to find out frequencies. First frequency 2. Next, 6 is the cumulative frequency of upper boundary 25. So the frequencies of 20, 25, 6 minus 2, that is equal to 4. 25 is the cumulative frequency of upper boundary 30. So the frequency of 25, 30, 24 minus 6, that is equal to 18. 45 is the cumulative frequency of the upper boundary 35. So the frequency of 30, 35 is equal to 45 minus 24, that is equal to 21. Similarly, the frequency of 35 minus 40, 78 minus 45, 33. The frequency of 40, 45, 89 minus 78, 11. The frequency of 45, 50, 92 minus 89, 3. The frequency of 50, 55, 98 minus 92, 6. the frequency of 56 minus 6, 100 minus 98, that is equal to the sum of all these frequencies 2 plus 4 plus 18 plus 20 plus 33 plus 11 plus 3 plus 6 plus 2 is 100. 100 is equal to the cumulative last cumulative frequency is equal. Okay. Sum of all frequencies is n is equal to 100. So n by 2 is equal to 100 by 2. 100 by 2 is equal to 50. 50 is lies on which cumulative frequency? 78. 78 class 35 40. This is median class. Here L is equal to 35, F is equal to 33, CF is equal to cumulative frequency of the preceding of the median class. So CF is equal to 45. H 40 minus 35, that is equal to 5. Okay. Median is equal to how much? Median is equal to L plus n by 2 minus CF by F into H. Okay, the value of L is equal to 35 plus n by 2 50 minus CF 45 by F 33 into H 5. Okay, 35 plus 50 minus 45 5 by 33 into 5. 35 plus 5 into 5 25 by 33. Okay, 25 by 33 value 0.76. So 35 plus 0.76 is equal to 35.76. So this is the median age of policy holders is 35.76 years. Okay. Next problem. The length of 40 leaves of a plant are measured correct to the nearest millimeters, and the data obtained is represented in the following table. Okay, length in millimeters, number of leaves. 118 126 3, 127 minus 136 5, 136 minus 144 9, 145 minus 153 12, 154 minus 162 5, 163 minus 171 4, 172 minus 182. Find the median length of the leaves. Okay, first to take 3 columns. Length, class intervals, length in millimeters or class intervals, number of leaves is frequency, cumulative frequencies. Okay, class intervals 117.5 117.5 to 126.5, 126.5 135.5, 135.5 144, 144.5, 144.5 153.5, 153.5 162.5, 162.5 171.5, 171.5 180.5. These are class intervals. Corresponding frequencies 3, 5, 9, 12, 5, 4, 2. Okay. First cumulative frequency 3. Next to 3 plus 5 8. Next to 3 plus 5 plus 9 17. Cumulative frequency of 14.5, 150, 144.5, 153.5. 3 plus 5 plus 9 plus 12 29. Next cumulative frequency 3 plus 5 plus 9 plus 12 plus 5 plus 4 5 34. Next cumulative frequency 3 plus 5 plus 9 plus 12 plus 5 plus 4 38. Next last cumulative frequency 3 plus 5 plus 9 plus 12 plus 5 plus 4 plus 2 40. Sum of all frequencies 3 plus 5 plus 9 plus 12 plus 5 plus 4 plus 2 40. This is equal to last cumulative frequency 40. Okay. Sum of the all frequencies n is 40. So that n by 2 is equal to 40 by 2, that is equal to 20. So 20 lies on which cumulative frequency? 29 class 140 29. 29 class is 144.5 153.5. This is median class. So 144.5 is median. 12 is frequency of median class. 17 is cumulative frequency of the class preceding the median class. Okay. H is equal to 153.5 minus 144.5, that is equal to 9. So median is equal to how much? Median is equal to L plus n by 2 minus CF by F into H. Here the value of L is equal to 144.5 plus n by 2 20 minus CF 17 by F 12 into H 9. So 144.5 plus 20 minus 17, 3 by 12 into 9. 144.5 plus 3 9s 27 by 12. The value of 27 by 12 is 2.25. So 144.5 plus 2.25, that is equal to 146.75. This is the median length of leaves. This is median of the given data. So median length of leaves is 146.75 millimeters. Okay, next problem. The following table gives the distribution of the lifetime of 400 nano lamps. Okay, lifetimes in hours, number of lamps. Lifetimes in hours 1500, 2000, number of lamps 14. 2000, 2500, 56. 2500, 3060. 3000, 3500, 86. 3500, 4074. 4000, 4500, 62. 4500, 5048. Find the median lifetime of the lamp. In this data, to find the median, okay, first we take 3 columns. Lifetimes in hours is class intervals, number of lamps is frequencies. Okay, class intervals 1500, 2000, 2000, 2500, 2500, 3000, 3000, 3500, 3500, 4000, 4000, 4500, 4500, 5000. Corresponding frequencies 40, 56, 60, 86, 74, 62, 48. Sum of these all frequencies is 400. Okay. Next, first cumulative frequency 14. Next the cumulative frequency of 2000, 2500, 14 plus 56, 70. Cumulative frequency of 2500, 3000, 14 plus 56 plus 60, 130. Next, cumulative frequency of 3000, 3500, 14 plus 56 plus 60 plus 86, 216. Okay, next 3500, 4000, cumulative frequency is 14 plus 56 plus 60 plus 86 plus 74, that is equal to 290. Next, cumulative frequency of 4000, 4500, 14 plus 5 plus 60 plus 86 plus 74 plus 62, that is equal to 352. Next, cumulative frequency of 4500 minus 5, 4500, 5000, 14 plus 56 plus 60 plus 86 plus 74 plus 62 plus 48, that is equal to 400. Sum of all these frequencies 400. 400 is equal to last cumulative frequency. Okay. Sum of all frequencies is n is equal to 400. Yeah, so n by 2 is equal to 400 by 2, that is equal to 200. 200 lies on which cumulative frequency? 216. 216 class 3000, 3500. This is median class. So 3000 is lower boundary, 86 is frequency of the median class, 130 is preceding of the cumulative frequency of the class preceding of the median class. Okay, CF is equal to 130. Class size 3500 minus 3000, that is equal to 500. So H is equal to 500. Median M is equal to how much? Median is equal to L plus n by 2 minus CF by F into H. Here the value of L is equal to 3000. N by 2 is equal to 200 minus CF is equal to 130. F is equal to 86. H is equal to 500. Okay, 3000 plus 200 minus 130, 70. 70 by 86 into 500. 70, 500, 35,000. So 3000 plus 35,000 by 86. The value of 35,000 by 86, 406.98. So 3000 plus 406.98 is equal to 98 is equal to 3406.98. This is the median of the given data. So median lifetime of a lamp is 3406.98 hours. Okay, next problem, last problem. The distribution below gives the weights of 30 students of a class. Find the median weights of the student. Okay, weight in hours, number of students: 40 45 2, 45 53, 50 55 8, 55 66, 60 65 6, 65 73, 70 75 2. Okay, first we take 3 columns. Okay, first column weights, this is also called class intervals. Next column number of students is frequencies. Next cumulative frequency. Okay, class intervals 40 45, 45 50, 50 55, 55 60, 60 65, 65 70, 70 75. Corresponding frequencies 2, 3, 8, 6, 6, 3, 2. Cumulative frequencies. First, the cumulative frequency of 40 45 2. Cumulative frequency of 45 50 2 plus 3 5. Cumulative frequency of 50 55 2 plus 3 plus 8 13. Cumulative frequency of 55 60 2 plus 3 plus 8 plus 6 90. Cumulative frequency of 60 65 2 plus 3 plus 8 plus 6 plus 6 25. Cumulative frequency of 65 70 2 plus 3 plus 8 plus 6 plus 6 plus 3 28. Cumulative frequency of 70 75 2 plus 3 plus 8 plus 6 plus 6 plus 3 plus 2 30. Okay, sum of all frequencies 2 plus 3 plus 8 plus 6 plus 6 plus 3 plus 2 30. So this is equal to the last cumulative frequency. Okay, sum of the frequencies n is equal to 30. So n by 2 is equal to 30 by 2 15. 15 lies on which cumulative frequency? 19. So 19 class 55 60. This is the median class. Here 55 is L. 6 is frequency of median class. 13 is cumulative frequency of the class preceding the median class. Okay, H is equal to 60 minus 55, that is equal to 5. Median is equal to how much? Median is equal to L plus n by 2 minus CF by F into H. That is the value of L 55 plus n by 2 15 minus CF 13 by F 6, H 5. 55 plus 15 minus 13 2, 2 by 6 into 5. 55 plus 2 into 5, 10 by 6. The value of 10 by 6, 1.67. So 55 plus 1.67, that is equal to 56.67. This is the median of the given data. So median weight of student in median weight of student is 56.67 kgs. So today assignment in page number 334, do these problems. Page number 336, think discuss problems. In exercise 14.2, third and fourth problem, find the mean and interpret the two measures mean and mode. 14.3 find the other two measures. First problem in 14.3 first problem, find the other two measures mean and mode, and sixth problem in 14.3 do the homework. Okay, thank you.